This is George551 with another unboxing video. And finally, somebody has come out with a low enough powered air conditioner that I can use it on my 60 amp service and not worry about blowing a fuse. It's a Danby 7000 BTU portable air conditioner, and we're going to do an unboxing, as I said. I haven't gotten an air conditioner till now because most of them were around 1500 watts of power, which, if I used anything else, would trip a circuit breaker. This one supposedly has a power rating of 800 watts, which is well below any possibility of it tripping. So we're going to open the box. And it's got straps. The reason it's strapped is this just simply pulls up. Let's take a look at what we got here. Okay, we got a collar of some sort. Probably goes to the hose. And here's the unit. I'll move some stuff out of the way, right? Tiny apartment. So let's move this where you can see it. There you go. There's the unit. Okay, I'm gonna take that off a little later. I'm just throwing stuff aside for the purpose of making the video short. And here's the piece that the hose ultimately attaches to. It attaches to the window. Here's another piece. I believe that's for exhausting. And way at the bottom, you have a tube. I believe this is a drainage tube for long-term usage. And brand new, so it's not very flexible. Oh, there we go. Flexible hose. And it also comes with instructions, quick care guide, and yes, like any modern day air conditioner, it's got its own remote right here. And some screws. I'll show this stuff in more detail in an upcoming video of the review of said product. So we put all this stuff where we can see it and come to our conclusion. And there you have it. The unboxing of a brand new Danby portable air conditioner. And got at Best Buy. I did get the $50 4-year extended warranty because it's a mechanical product. And I'm not sure of the quality of Danby because I never heard of them. So here it is. Something that'll actually be friendly to a 60 amp service. Hope you enjoyed it.